Hey guys, so welcome back to DelftStack. Today I will be showing you how to make Brave browser faster. So guys, I will show you multiple ways, so follow along. First thing, open up the Brave application into your computer to proceed and select your profile over here. And now once you are here, you could go for the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. You should be able to see here settings, and now here on the settings, you can go ahead and go for the privacy and security on the left side. So sometimes if you have too much data onto your computer, it will log or into your browser. So from here, select delete browsing data, and the most three data that consumes the most is this three over here. So from here, you can just simply go for the last 4 weeks or 7 days. But if you completely want to make it really fast, you can go for all time. So you will have a new fresh data for the Brave browser. Another option, you can go for the system down below over here. So from here, continue running background apps when Brave is closed. You just simply turn this off. And from here, you could use graphics acceleration, turn this on, and you will have an option over here, memory saver. So make sure to turn this on as well in order for your browser to be more faster. And you will have three options over here: moderate, balance, and maximum. Pretty much this will be depending on you based on your preferences. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.